Welcome to c49HockeyBreaks, box break number 183. And today, I know last week I did say that 14-15 products are skyrocketing in price, but this seems to be the one product that hasn't really jumped up much in price. So today we got a box of 14-15 Ultimate Collection. Don't have a sticker on the front, so no sticker number today. We'll dive right into it. Continuing on the 14-15 on Tuesdays. Looks like a pretty decently thick pack for Ultimate. Slide decoy in, and we've got our stack of Ultimate. We kick off the break with a base 227 of 999 Shea Weber. Shea Weber base to get us started. Go down to the bottom, we have an auto. Ultimate Signatures, Team Canada, Casey Cizikas. That guy you don't see a lot of autos of. I believe the only other auto we've pulled of Cizikas was that Dominion Shield out of the Prime bonus pack way back in the early breaks. Let's go down to the bottom again. Ultimate Gear jersey, 2 pieces of jersey, Aaron Ekblad. Ultimate Gear of Ekblad. Looks like we got 2 thick ones and a thin one. Go down to the bottom. A very nice Ultimate Foursomes, 7 of 10 patches, all 2-color patches for Henrik Zetterberg, Pavel Datsyuk, Thomas Yurko, and Gustav Nyquist. Zetterberg, Datsyuk, Yurko, and Nyquist, 7 of 10. Ultimate Foursomes patches. Very nice card look. Very nice looking card there. And we have a Ultimate Rookies auto, 93 of 299, Marco Dano. Marco Dano, rookie auto, 93 of 299. And finishing off the break, Ultimate Collection Signature Masterpieces, Dustin Brown. Another name you do not see very often. Dustin Brown, Ultimate Collection Signature Masterpieces. Well, folks, that is going to wrap up this break of 14-15 Ultimate. This might be the last 14-15. Might be ending the 14-15 Tuesday streak, but we'll do a quick recap here. 227 of 299 base Shea Weber. Ultimate Signatures Team Canada Casey Cizikas. Ultimate Rookie Gear jerseys Aaron Ekblad. Very nice Ultimate foursomes patches, 7 of 10. Henrik Zetterberg, Pavel Datsyuk, Thomas Yurko, and Gustav Nyquist. Ultimate Rookies Auto, number 93 of 299, Marco Dano. And a Signature Masterpieces, Dustin Brown. Well, folks, that is going to do it for this box break. If you did enjoy, feel free to leave a like, comment below. Like I said, this might be the last 14-15 break we do on Tuesdays, so if it is, we had a pretty good run with 14-15, I gotta say. I'll have another box of 1920 SP Authentic up on Thursday. In case you guys are wondering, the 5 boxes that I've done so far of SP Authentic have been from the same inner case of 8 boxes, so we'll be continuing on with the last 3 boxes of that in upcoming breaks. So if you are enjoying the 1920 SP Authentic, make sure you are subscribed to the channel. Like I say, plenty more box breaks, 6-pack Saturdays, and Sunday uploads to come, so keep an eye out on the channel.